Greetings, everyone. This is Z at Happy Gut, Happy Life. Welcome. Today we will be making some blueberry mini waffles. And their little recipe for these waffles are 1 cup of garbanzo bean flour. It is gluten free. We're going to use salt to taste. We're going to use Perrier sparkling water, a quarter cup to help with the rise. And we're going to also use 1 tablespoon applesauce, organic for moisture, and 2 tablespoon coconut milk. We're going to use a quarter cup of spring water if necessary. And you're going to go ahead and add your blueberries. And what I do, I use my homemade butter to or the mini waffle maker. And these mini waffles should, for 1 cup, should yield four. Actually, it's going to yield 4 mini waffles. So you just pop a mini waffle and just wait about, I guess, maybe 2 to 3 minutes. You see the size of it. Nice. They're nice size. They're very filling. Very. And here we have it. It's a very quick breakfast if you want, or when at any time you feel like you want some waffles. And I use agave syrup on my waffles, agave nectar actually. And you can just top it off with some blueberries, fresh blueberries as well. And actually, this is serving of two people. You can serve 2 people because I had 2 waffles myself, and they were very filling. So if you need 2 cups will give you about eight mini waffles. And if you need a recipe for homemade butter, I'll save a link down in the description area. But these waffles, they're so delicious. They're nice and moist. Um, you don't have to worry about them crumbling or anything like that. Very delicious. Look at all that goodness. This is what you call eating to heal. It's dairy free, no eggs. It's just delicious. So go ahead, try it. Your family will love it. Please hit that subscribe button, that like button, the share that vegan love. Until the next time, peace and vegan love.